Meow.
Remember to turn off your power before you start any type of work where you're going to potentially touch live wires. I just turned the breaker off for the entire house before I did this. It's something that I really irks me for some reason is when they put in these outlets upside down. I hate that. So I'm just going to remove this panel and hopefully there'll be enough excess wiring where I could pull it out and just simply twist it and twist it back in. And so to make myself unupset, I better get those things fixed. So I'm gonna unscrew these here and here and here and here, and then I should be able to pull it out, twist it, and re-screw it in. I just want to point out that when you have a double socket, it may work better to twist the socket right side up and then alternate the spaces. Like this used to be over here, this used to be over there, and it just works out with the wiring links to switch them, which is fine. So with this one, I just twisted it this way, and then I'll stuff it back into its socket.